So, you decided to buy a new hard drive, or an SSD, but don't want to make a clean install of your operating system, or you just want to keep all your files from the old drive, but how do you exactly do that? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clone your hard drive for free and keep everything from your old drive. Before we even begin to install the tool we are going to use is to make sure that your drives are installed either internally or externally and connected to the same PC, of course. The only thing that's different between doing it externally rather than internally is going to be your cloning speed, as a USB or whatever you're using is not going to be as fast as a SATA 6, for example. With that out of the way, I want you to head over to the internet and download and install AOME Backcover. I'll leave the link in the description for your convenience. Now, there are two versions of the program. The free version that we are going to use, and then there's the pro version. But all the features that we are going to use and need can be found in the free version. You just have to sign up for the newsletter, but you can cancel it anytime you want, so I don't think that's such a big deal. When you start the program, there are a few different options. There are new backup and new sync, and bunch more on the side. But what we are after is the clone option here. From here, you're gonna want to choose disk clone, which will clone the entire disk with all the partitions to make sure that whenever you swap the old drive for the new one, you won't get a drive that won't boot. Next, choose the disk that you want to clone as your source disk, and then hit next. Then choose your new drive as your destination disk and click next again. It's gonna tell you that the operation will format your whole drive and all of its partitions, so if you have anything in there that you would like to keep, now's your last time to back them up. When you're done, click on OK and then click on Start Clone. It will first analyze your drive to make sure that the cloning can be done, and only then will it actually start copying the data to the new drive. So while it's analyzing the drive, nothing is being erased or copied over, so if your house lost power or your computer shut down, nothing will be damaged or erased, and you just have to start the process over again. This might take quite a while, especially if you're moving from a spinning hard drive to an SSD, or even if you're moving from a SATA SSD to a bigger one. It might even look like that it has frozen at times, but just be patient and do not worry. 3 hours later, it has finished cloning my drive, and you're going to see this exact same page when you're finished. Then you can just shut down your computer and remove the old drive or format it, depends on you entirely. But that's how you clone your drive. If you want to know how to delete all Windows or how to format, you can find a video on how to do that on my channel. I thank you for watching, leave a like if you liked it, dislike if you didn't, and I will see you all in the next video. Se ois, moi!